Now, one of the funnest things for the Maverick to do is to compare great sportsmen and women across eras. Some fans and pundits say it cannot be done and it should not be done. But how do we credibly come up with the greatest ever in any sport without cross-era comparisons? We are blessed with the cerebral capacity to consider all things and all factors, such as improvements in technology, nutrition, medical science, training methods, and equipment advancement, plus the comparative quality of opposition across eras, the strengths and weaknesses of teammates, rule changes from era to era, even improvements of media coverage and scrutiny. Every single variable must be factored in. The key to making cross-era comparisons is to consider and reconcile everything and exclude nothing. And it is by doing just that that the Maverick has come to the studied conclusion that King Pele is the greatest footballer of all time, and LeBron James is the greatest basketballer of all time. Those views are mine.